Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today, you guys, I am excited because we are doing a luxury unboxing today. Finally. Oh, I'm so excited. Y'all have heard me talk time and time again about building my jewelry collection, and baby girl, that is what we are doing today. Okay, so I actually picked up some pieces from JBW watches. Y'all, I have been eyeing these watches for so long. It's kind of like luxury meets affordable, so their pieces are really timeless but also not breaking the bank. Okay, they do have some real diamonds in the pieces as well, so I just thought that it was the perfect setup for me because it just kind of fits my lifestyle. I'm really not in the market to buy a fully iced out full diamond watch right now, so this is kind of like the next best thing, and y'all are going to die when y'all see these watches. So let's go ahead and get into it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel down below, and let's get into it. Let's get into it. I have my box right here. It's actually kind of a really big box, so I'm excited. Get rid of that, honey. Okay. Ah, look. All right, so I have this platinum warranty because one of my pieces came with a free warranty. Oh, look. $20 off your next timepiece. I love when brands do this, like absolutely love. Like, reward me for shopping, make me want to come back. It's a really good business tactic. What is this? Oh, I think this is my bracelet. Okay, let's save the bracelet for last. So it comes nice and wrapped up like this. Look at this box. Look at the box. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna give y'all close-ups of everything after I have them opened, but everything comes nicely wrapped inside. Ooh, I'm so excited, you guys. Oh, okay. Oh, it's so nice. Okay, and then I just slide this out. Slide on out. I think I'm doing this right. Yeah, here we go. Okay. Oh, because there's a card too. So that slides out, and then we have this. What is this? Everything, it just feels so luxe. Okay, and this is talking about the protection, everything. All right, let's just get into it, honey. Let's just get into it. This one, I don't know what is what, so I'm just gonna be surprised when I open it, I guess. Oh my Lord. Everything is so wrapped up so nicely. Oh my goodness. I mean, as it should be. Okay, let me get closer for y'all so y'all can see. Oh, and then there's the genuine card, the genuine JBW product card. I'm gagging. I am gagging. All right, let me show y'all close up. So here's the box. Oh my goodness. And then when you open it up, it looks like this, and it has a little protector foam in there, and then everything comes wrapped up really nicely in here, so I'm gonna have to get all the plastic off. And then here is my JBW timepiece, diamond timepiece card. Y'all, first of all, how luxurious does this look? Like, oh my goodness, your girl is out here going crazy. Oh, okay, here we go. So I'm going to remove all of the plastic and things so that y'all can actually get a good look at these pieces. This bracelet. Oh, y'all, I'm about to be icy, okay? Icy. I'm just going to get everything opened up so that I can show you guys. Okay, so I finally got all the watches open, and I also have the JBW website pulled up here on my phone so that I can tell you guys which ones I got and the specs on them as well. So the first one that I have is the Mink. Y'all, this watch is so beautiful with the two-toned. Oh, look at it. It is stunning. Okay, stunning. When I saw it, I was like, oh, yep, I gotta get that. Kind of like rose tone with the silver tone. I really love, you guys. Look at the JBW logo inside. Look at the two tones, you guys. It is so beautiful. I am obsessed. Okay, obsessed. Even stones around the little knob on the side. Please. Beautiful. all the details. And then you can see the stones kind of go down a little bit here on the band on the side. Wow, that's just my vibe right now. Okay, those are my tones. Those are my tones. All right, so this watch has 12 diamonds. It has a 28mm case and then an 18mm band. So get into her. And this one is $265 on the JBW website. So like I said, luxury means affordable. Okay, we got 12 real diamonds in here. And we're not breaking the bank, all right? We're not really breaking the bank. They also have Klarna, so if you want to do for interest-free payments, you can use Klarna, because sometimes we can't just be out here splurging all this money up front, and honey, that's okay. That's all right. There's nothing wrong with that. No shame in our game, okay? You can still get your beautiful timepiece for for interest-free payments, okay? So I really love this watch. I love how big the face of it is. It kind of is just giving me like very much statement piece. And then with these two little two-tone strands that come down, oh, beautiful, like beautiful. Y'all, I'm new to this, not true to this yet, okay? So my terminology, I gotta get with it. I really got to get with it. Their descriptions on the website are top notch, okay? So go to the site, check them out, read up on these pieces. And then the other two pieces that I got are both from the Crystal line. So I got the Crystal 28. Ooh. The Crystal 28, it comes with the watch and the bangle to go with it. And I just have been loving everyone's iced out wrists, but they have like the watch along with other bracelets and other jewelry on their wrists as well. So yes, for some of them, the watch can just be the statement itself, but you can also go ahead and pair it with the diamond bangle as well. The rose color. I am obsessed. So it has the diamonds that go around the face, and then the band is just the regular band, but then it comes with this beautiful bangle. Please tell me this is not stunning. The inside is super icy, as you can see. I freaking love this one. The square face is it. So this one, it just has the diamonds that go around the face of the watch, and then the rest of the band is just like a regular band. But stunning. They are so beautiful. So this one also has 12 real diamonds. This one was $295, which, I mean, come on, for a watch and a bangle, that's like a really good price. I love this. And I got this in like that rose color. Ooh, because they have like gold, silver, and then they have this one which gives more like a rose gold. I love this. Like, what is life? I cannot wait to dress all these pieces up. Ooh, and I need to try all of them on, because I'm so new to watches. I'm like, I know my wrist is kind of small. Am I gonna have to remove links? Like, what's gonna happen? We'll find out. And then last but not least, you guys, I got the regular Crystal 28. So this one also has 12 real diamonds. This one goes for $345 because it's pretty much iced out all the way around the band, so it's not just the face on this one. Oh, stunning. And here is the star of the show for me. Now this is the Crystal 28 as well, but just remember, it does not come with this bangle. I did get that separately as an add-on, but look at them together. You can see why I added it on, right? It is gorgeous. Okay, gorgeous. I was so torn. I didn't know if I wanted to get this in silver or if I wanted to get this in gold or that rose color, because y'all know me, I love gold jewelry. So most of the time I'm reaching for gold, but as I'm maturing, as I'm growing older, I'm just like, I don't know. I mean, my whole house is silver, as you can see, and I have on silver jewelry today. So it's not like I don't like it, it's just something that is growing on me, you know what I'm saying? Because I have been a gold kind of girl like forever, so I think I'm starting to get more into just the silver diamond. So yeah, I just went ahead and got this in silver. I just felt like this would be the most blingy, okay, most blingy. And then I have like this smudge chain that I wear. You guys see me wearing this all the time. I have another smudge chain which is also silver. So a lot of my like icy statement pieces are silver, so that's why I just went ahead and opted for getting this in silver. And then the icing on the cake for this one, I actually got the bangle. This was a last minute thing. I don't even know, is this just regularly on the website or is this just a last minute type of thing that they throw in? Because I didn't remember seeing the bangle just on the regular site. When I was scrolling, it only showed me like how it was coming in set. So I think this might have been like a last minute add-on or something. So this is called the Swarovski Pave Bangle and I got it in silver. And it is beautiful. So it's the same as the one that comes with the Crystal 28, but I got it in silver to go with my Ice Out Silver Crystal 28. So yeah, I just really love, you know, I just love the extra piece with the watch. I don't know. So I'm gonna put everything on and see how it's looking. Also, I could wear this with the mink as well, since the mink does have the silver in it as well. So yes, you guys, I could either wear this one or the rose one with the mink. So it's kind of like I can mix and match how I want to wear the pieces now that I have one silver, one rose bangle too. So yes, you guys, so now is the time that we have all been waiting for. I'm actually going to try the watches on and I will go ahead and get close-ups for y'all. I promise I will get close-ups for y'all so that y'all will be able to see. So the bangle it's kind of big, but I think it'll work, and I might honestly just like wear it a little bit further up my arm. Oh my gosh, she's so icy. She's so icy. She's so icy. Baby girl. Oh, I feel like Kyra. Oh, period. Oh yeah, this is it. This is it. So once you figure out, you know, the fit and everything, because like I said, I am new to this, not true to this, so I have no clue about, you know, I have no clue about sizing watches and links and all that stuff. I don't have no clue about none of that, but what I do know is these are super cute. That's what I do know. Let me try on the mink. I feel like the mink is gonna be way too big for me. Just how I'm feeling. I'm feeling like this is the one that's really not gonna fit. Yeah, the mink is way too big. But once we get these adjusted, oh my Lord, that mink is going to be fire. My wrists are so small. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. So yeah, you can go to like any jeweler to get links removed. I do know that. I did learn that, so I'm getting into that part of life. I'm getting there. I have my first timepieces, so I'm getting into the whole, yep, let's go ahead and go to the jeweler now. Go to the jeweler and get our jewelry fitted properly. Let me pull this off because this was really scratching me. Oh, this rose is so fire. Wow, so fire. All right, this one fits a little big as well. So the other Crystal 28, the one that is the silver one, that one fits the best right out of the box. But this, oh my goodness gracious, I can't wait. I just can't wait to style these pieces, y'all. Like, y'all don't understand. I can't wait to style them. All right. Oh, they're so cute. I'm in love, okay? I'm very pleased with my decision here. Like, very pleased. These are my first big girl pieces. My first big girl watches and bracelets. Oh my Lord, how beautiful. How beautiful. So yeah, I will have everything that I got linked down below, literally. My girls Kyra, Aaliyah, y'all put me on to the JBW. So yeah, they both have discount codes where you can save a coin or two. Super cute. And I absolutely love that the watches come in these really nice sturdy boxes, because I'm going to keep them in these boxes to keep them nice and safe, clean, you know, dust free, whatever, just to try to keep them covered and to keep them in the best condition possible. I think that the box is really amazing. Also, if you want to travel with them as well, you can bring them on the go and keep your jewelry safe. So yeah, you guys, wow, I'm ready. I'm excited to be icy. All right, I'm excited to be back into my fashion content. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel down below. I love y'all so much, and I will see you in my next video.